Hello everyone and welcome to another video of Android Wizardry. In our this video we are going to see how to use or how to show a snack bar. Okay, so first of all what we are going to do is we are going to add a button. So we are just going to use app compact button, wrap content. So we have our button in the center. So on click of this button we are going to show our snack bar. Snack bar dot make constraint layout. So this is our layout. So here we are going to pass our layout. Then we are going to pass a message. This is a snack bar message. So this may look very similar to our toast, but we are going to change few things here. So we have implemented our snack bar. This looks very similar to toast. Snack bar dot make. We have to pass the layout here. Then we have to pass our message and the length long and length short, length long and length short. Then we can do a set action. Like for example, whenever we click on our snack bar, we want to do some action. So we have the text that we want to display as undo and show a toast. So whenever our snack bar is clicked, we want to show this toast which will display a undo message. So let's build our application. Okay, we have our button on our UI, so let's click it. It shows this, and whenever we click undo, it displays this. So where it is used, where can we use it in our real life? So let's say you have, so if you have seen that to-do list application playlist, there is a delete button for each item. So what we can do there is we can place snack bar there on the delete item. So whenever we click on the delete button and delete the item, we can have an option to undo it for a second so that user can recover that item. So now let's try to add more options. So let's build this application again. And let's see how it works with these options. Right, our application is built. Click do. So it is only showing the last option. Yeah, and that's how you use the snack bar. I hope you have liked the video. Now you know how to use snack bar and where to use snack bar. That undo is just the one option. You can use it at many places. Let's say you are downloading an image from your mobile application. What you can do there is after downloading is successful, you can place a snack bar there and you can set a action that will redirect you to the location of that image which is stored in your mobile phone, which will be very useful. So these are just the two very small and very generic use cases of snack bar. I hope you have liked the video. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button for more awesome videos, and I will see you in the next video with another useful UI component.